beach day once again. Come and enjoy the weather. The sun actually went down, but it's still nice and hot out here, so have a little bit of shade today, so not beaming hot in the sun like we were yesterday. Y'all. Enjoying himself. I'm just sitting here chilling, just taking in the scenery. Are you back from out of the water so soon?
Yes, because the waves kept hitting me so hard.
So good thing the side of the beach that we're on right now, and it's not too congested. We go a little bit further down there. Well, wait, I can't see. But a little bit further down is packed. So right here is perfect for me. Not too many people over here. So. I ain't trying to get cold. I ain't trying to get cold. It's breezy out here. I don't want to get super cold.
I'm not. The water's splashing off me. kept moving it, but it should stop.
So we are all washed up and changed and getting ready to go figure out what we're going to eat for dinner and get some fresh air now that we're back from the beach because we're both starving. And Quincy has an attitude because he's hungry. Cross over here. Hold on. It's gonna be a minute. Oh yeah. I was like, where is the sign at? All this traffic. Huh? What you say? Oh. Saying you get to my clothes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All this stuff over here. Oh. Jesus. So me and little man, well not so little man, we are waiting on our food. Let's see, we're right in front of the water. Flip it around. Thank you.
Ayun, gusto mo ba niya?
Thank you. I take it. You like it?
Yeah.
You like your food? You feel good. Mommy's still finishing up her food.